Hi everyone, my name is Isabella Susilowati. I'm an Excel and Power BI enthusiast with decades of business experience. Today, I want to show you how to transfer data from Power BI P&L report using pivot table and cube formula so it can work more efficiently and more effectively without manual copy and pasting from Power BI into Excel. In this video, I want to show you how to efficiently transfer data from Power BI to Excel using two methods. Method number one is with pivot table, and method number two is with the cube formula. Alright, let's get started with method number one. Let's go to Power BI. This is a Power BI P&L report, really beautiful. I've shown you how to create this in my previous video. Check out the link in the description below. It's a beautiful report. What if we want to transfer the data into Excel? What do? Do we cut and paste? That's one method, but it is not very efficient. A more efficient way is to go into Excel and create a pivot table. Yep. So create a new page by hitting that plus button and then go to Data, hit Get Data from Power Platform, from Power BI, and then select your relevant dataset. I'm going to click the first one, which is Power BI P&L dataset. And then, boom, can you see? All the measure groups from Power BI models, all the tables and fields appear. I'm going to create a simple P&L report using sales measure, P&L measure, and then let's bring month. You can type over there to search for the month, and then you can click and drag to the rows. And I'm going to type here and drag to the filter area. And as you can see, I've got a pivot table now on the left. And if we change it, it is dynamic. 2022 sales and P&L is now in Excel. And when the Power BI report is updated, you can also update your Excel simply by pressing the refresh button. So that's method number one, using pivot table. Now let's look at the second method, retrieving data using the cube formula. I'm going to recycle the pivot table from earlier. Click the pivot table and then go to pivot table analyze, go to OLAP tools, convert to formula. And click convert report filter, click convert and watch it. Watch this. Now pivot table disappear and everything is automatically converted into a formula. What does it mean? It means that Excel is retrieving the value associated with this month and these measures and these years. What does that mean? It means that we can easily copy and paste this formula and expand our report in Excel. For example, I can change that year to 2021. Just change that like that. Yeah. And then once you have done that, just click tick and then click this cube value formula, press F2 and make sure it's linked up to the correct year, and then copy and paste to the bottom. And watch this, this is now is associated with year 2021, which makes it really easy to expand your formula. For example, if I want this section to be 2022, just change the year over there. Copy and paste. Now, you will notice that in this cell, it says cube member. What's that? It means that it's retrieving the dimension. It's retrieving year 2022 from the Power BI table that was called date. It's looking at the field which is called year. So it is important to keep this full name and only update the last bit. All right, let's press F2 and make sure everything is linked up. And I think now we are done. We have now created an Excel file that can retrieve data directly from Power BI. When the Power BI model is refreshed and updated, you can easily update your Excel model. All you need to do is go to data and refresh, and everything in Excel will be refreshed. And with cube formula, you can also format your Excel file neatly and nicely. You can insert rows, no problem. Add color, no problem. When you refresh the data, everything is still intact. I hope now you know the two methods where you can efficiently transfer data from Power BI to Excel using pivot table as well as cube formulas.